Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners on by Gino, looking in on Nikola Corporation. Sorry I did not get this up yesterday. It was a long week. So, what are we watching for Monday? This 4-hour chart, because 1 hour. Rotation zone has gone completely flat, so we're watching either for a breakdown or a breakout. Breakdown going lower, breakout going higher. Let's go back to that 4 hour, so it still slightly favors the upside because rising rotation zone. Very key level to watch on any pullback is 53.10. So where the bottom of the rotation zone is, and this key low from June 20th. Below that, we're then watching for about 40... I'm just going to call it about 48, splitting this difference. We have a little cluster here between the retracement and the projection, so right around 48, then 44.13. If we did drop below that, that would be very, very bearish if we drop below 48, because then we're actually below the 62.5% retracement. That's when we start watching for much lower prices, if that level breaks. Below that, right before this gap fill, we have about 40, what's the exact low here? The exact low, 40.42. So that's going to be the key level we're watching in conjunction with the 50. So below 40.42, we'll just start watching for the gap fill, which could take us potentially down all the way to 35.94. Keep in mind, there's also warrants trading on Nikola. So the NKLA. Now those are trading, they're going to come due sometime this summer, where you can get the common stock for $11.50, and they're trading a lot lower than this, and either they're going to have to trade up or it will pull this common stock down. So just watch for that potentiality. Now, key level to the upside, just above this 37.5% retracement, we're watching this high. 67.56, so right around 67.50. Above 67.50, we'll be projecting 75.31, and then we still have an unfilled gap here, which would take us to 79.58. So those are the key levels. In the short term, if we start trading on Monday below about 62.50, we'll start watching for the pullback. Let's take a look at that daily. So you can see here, this 57 level on the daily is key with the rotation zone. So just you can watch for some support if we do drop there. Other than that, there's nothing else to report. By the way, that 44.13 is right in front of the bottom of the daily rotation zone. So it could still pull back in there and hold right there. Now, if we do get a daily close below that daily rotation zone, then it's in we're in full-blown bearish mode, back to the gap fill, and then back to potentially the 50-day EMA. That's what we have for you on Nikola Corporation, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.